Here we are. For the first time ever. Those shutters are still going. It's alright, a van passed just before I started filming when I had my phone out and everything. Police van passed and they just smiled at me. Probably fairly obvious why I'm here anyway, so. Now, is it still going, or is my camera making it look like... I'm not sure. There you go, as I was saying, before I was so awesomely interrupted by that siren. For the first time ever, YouTube exclusive, the Lanark siren, audio and visual, together, at last. So, I have a different phone now, different camera, managed to zoom in this amazingly, so I can actually see it better on the screen than in real life, and I was actually watching the whole test on the screen because you can see it so much better. So, right, I'm off to upload this now, and yeah, I hope you guys love it as much as I have. Thunderchild exclusive. The Lanark siren atop the cop shop. There you are. How'd you like that?